Finiflex. So, ayan, mga Sissy Bells. Ang colors available, Sissy, ng aking suot. 5 colors for only 699 pesos. Sissy, yung suot ko po, pink to ha. Very light lang to. Parang Barbie lang. Barbie pink lang to. With pocket both sides, Sissy, with inner inside. Super nice. Up to 2XL ko. Carry for only 699 pesos. Ito po yung colors available, sis. Okay, meron tayong navy, may white, may red and brown sa Seabells. May red and brown. Yan sa manikin, Sissy, brown yun. Pero kukuha tayo ng sample niyan. Sissy, ito po yung color red, sisters. Ayan. Ito yung color red, Sissy. Ito naman yung color white, black and white. And Sissy, ito naman yung navy. Navy yan, sister, ha? In person, navy yan. Mukha lang black. Okay, tapos yung suot ko, color pink, sisters. Tapos yung color brown, papakita ko sa inyo yung brown. It says, so 5 colors, sister.